When your garage door remote stops working, don't panic. Most remote problems have simple solutions that you can fix yourself in just a few minutes. The first and most important step is checking your remote's batteries. Dead or weak batteries account for 60% of all garage door remote malfunctions. Most garage door remotes use one of three battery types. The small round CR2032 is most common in modern remotes. The rectangular A23 provides 12 volts for longer range. Older remotes may use standard AA batteries. Replace your remote batteries every 1 to 2 years, even if they seem to be working. Weak batteries can cause intermittent operation and reduced range before they completely fail. The second most common issue is misaligned safety sensors. These sensors create an invisible beam across your garage door opening to prevent the door from closing on objects or people. Safety sensors are located exactly 6 inches above the ground on both sides of your garage door. One sensor sends an infrared beam while the other receives it. Check the LED lights on each sensor. A solid light means the sensors are properly aligned. If the lights are blinking, the sensors need to be realigned. If batteries and sensors check out, test your remote at different distances. Most garage door remotes work reliably within 50 to 100 feet of the opener. Test your remote at 25, 50, 75, and 100 feet from the garage. If it only works at close range, you may have a weak battery or antenna issue. Most importantly, test the wall button inside your garage. If the wall button works but the remote doesn't, you know the problem is specifically with the remote, not the opener motor. Here's your quick diagnostic checklist. Start with these 4 basic steps and you'll solve most garage door remote problems without calling a technician. Following these basic troubleshooting steps successfully resolves 78% of garage door remote problems. Most issues really are this simple to fix. When basic battery replacement and sensor checks don't solve your garage door remote problems, it's time for advanced troubleshooting. These solutions address programming issues, interference problems, and help you determine when professional assistance is needed. Power surges and age can erase your remote's programming from the garage door opener's memory. When this happens, you need to reprogram the system. Start by locating the Learn button on your motor unit, typically found on the back or side of the opener. First, clear all existing codes by holding the Learn button until the LED light turns off. This erases all previously programmed remotes from the system's memory, giving you a clean slate to work with. Next, press the Learn button again briefly. The LED will turn on, indicating the system is ready to accept a new remote. You have 30 seconds to complete the next step, so have your remote ready. Within 30 seconds, press and hold any button on your remote control. The motor unit will click or the light will blink, confirming successful programming. Finally, test all household remotes to ensure they work properly. If reprogramming doesn't solve the issue, interference may be blocking your remote signal. Radio frequency interference affects 25% of garage door remote problems and can come from various household devices. LED lights operating on 315 or 390 MHz frequencies are the most common culprits. Wi-Fi routers, metal structures, and even neighboring garage door systems can create signal interference that blocks your remote from communicating with the opener. Professional technicians use RF detectors to scan for interference patterns. You can also test by temporarily turning off LED lights and moving closer to the opener to see if range improves. The antenna wire on your motor unit is crucial for receiving remote signals. This thin wire should hang straight down from the motor unit, typically about 6 inches in length, without touching any metal surfaces. Inspect the antenna wire for damage, kinks, or poor connections. The wire should hang freely without touching the motor unit, garage door tracks, or any metal structures that could interfere with signal reception. 12% of garage door service calls are due to programming issues that require professional expertise. If your system is over 5 years old, or you've attempted multiple programming cycles without success, it may be time to call a technician. Professional technicians have specialized tools and experience to diagnose complex issues. While 78% of basic fixes can be completed by homeowners, Persistent problems often indicate underlying electrical or mechanical issues that require expert attention. Remember that modern garage door systems are sophisticated devices. If basic troubleshooting and reprogramming don't resolve your remote issues, don't hesitate to contact a qualified technician. Professional assessment can prevent minor problems from becoming major repairs.